Why is he screaming? YouTube, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Swerve with another video, and today we have a new POV. We have the suction cup attached to the sunroof shit, and this is my actual camera now, so it's not exactly a GoPro head POV, but better quality, new angle, new position, new yeah, just trying something new. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn those notifications on if y'all are new to the channel. We're about to head over to the crib, and yeah, Yazerski, and I got the DJI mic on as well. So I wanna see if the audio is gonna be good and how it's gonna sound with the windows down and shit. I know it could sound crazy. Oh. Ooh. Go ahead, nigga. Oh, can't even go. Who that yelling? Why is he screaming? What is he screaming for? Nigga said, get that piece of shit away from here. What's up with that nigga? Is he trolling? But, yeah, let me know how this shit sound. A nigga was watching me record my car the whole time to do some dick sucking shit like that. Bumpy ass, rocky ass road, cuz. I kind of like this POV a little bit. It's cool. It's not bad. I think I should probably move it over a little bit. Maybe. I think there's a bump here, maybe. How does this all sound? tunnel, boy. Don't get the speeding now, cuz. I'll get this speeding out, cuz. I think I want to roll this window up a little bit. This shit is a little too loud. That fucking wind noise. I feel like I'm missing something. Did I read something there? I hope not. What's that? Y'all hear that? I know there's a bump here. Let me relax. Come on, gang. What the fuck are you doing? New POV, to the crib we go. Let's get a nice, little pull-in for y'all. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of the vid. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all fuck with this POV. Y'all hear those intakes. Well, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all.